To all of you, I am Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of KLM International School, Pathankot. Today, I will discuss with you a topic mitosis of class 11th bio. What is mitosis? Mitosis is actually a cell division in which a cell divide and give rise to two new cells. Okay, there is one another division of cell which is known as actually a meiosis. Meiosis takes place in germinal cells which produce gametes like ovum is a gamete or egg is a gamete, and similarly sperm is a gamete. In meiosis, one cell gives rise to four cells, but in today's lecture we will discuss about mitosis, in which one cell gives rise to two cells without any reduction in chromosome number. Okay, let's start. This is a mitosis, and thus we know that this is a structure of cells. Simply what happened, mitosis is a type of cell division. This is the capability of regeneration in some animals like hydra, okay, also the lizard having this capacity due to mitosis. Okay, in mitosis there are two type of division. First is nuclear division and second one is cytoplasm division. The phase is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are phases of mitosis. Cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. Initially what happened, the chromosomes are actually called chromatin fibers present in the cell. In interphase the content increases, the DNA become double. In prophase again divided into early prophase and late prophase. Chromatin fibers condense and the nuclear membrane break down or all the contents disappear. Centromere is present at the center and cystochromatid is attached to the centromere. Now the centriole duplications is there, and centrioles move toward the respective poles, one at upper side and one at lower side, and the microtubules are formed from the centrioles, and these microtubules, these are actually fibers which attach to the centromere. Centromere is the center, okay, at the layer, actually kinetochore is a layer which is present at the center. Now these microtubules join at the center and try to pull the chromosome toward their poles and toward the center. Okay, this is the attachment of microtubules to kinetochore. These microtubules are actually made up of proteins. These are the chromatids. I already discussed with the chromatids, or if two chromatids on the same chromosome called cystochromatins. Okay, first the chromosome lie at the equatorial plate, lie at the center, and then these split down and the microtubules move these half of chromosomes toward their respective poles after splitting.